Hey people, remember last week when we learned about photosynthesis? This week we're going to learn about cellular respiration. To recap, photosynthesis is a plant taking energy from the sun to combine water and carbon dioxide to eventually make glucose and oxygen. This week we're going to look at how all living things use glucose to live and survive and thrive and be. Oh! We all need energy to live, and we get this energy through a process called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is basically just a fancy word for all of our cells taking sugar to make energy for us. We get energy by eating different types of foods, like pancakes and carrots. Mitochondria, which are found in both plant cells and animal cells, take the sugars from the food we eat and turn them into energy that we can use to do everything.
Ooh, Miss Watermelon, Miss Watermelon, does that mean if I go and eat a big bowl of sugar every morning, that I'll be ready to go?
Now when I say sugars, I'm not talking about table sugar. All types of foods have sugars in it. Bread has sugar, pasta, bananas, oranges, apples, even veggies have sugars. Scientists refer to all sugars as carbohydrates. Unfortunately, we can't just eat carbohydrates and sugars because our body requires different types of food for different functions. If you take anatomy and physiology, you might learn more about this. Along with taking sugars from foods we eat, our cells also need oxygen to make energy. Have you ever wondered why we breathe? Like why we really need to do it? Why does it matter? I'm about to tell you. We need to breathe so we can get oxygen for cellular respiration. That's the only reason we breathe. That is why. That is why we breathe from the minute we are born to the moment we die. Cellular respiration. Yes. When we breathe in oxygen, the mitochondria in our cells can break down the glucose that we eat in our food. If we look at this as an equation, mitochondria in plant cells and animal cells take sugar, sugar, and they combine it with what? Oxygen. Good old O2. They get energy out of that as well as CO2 and water. So mitochondria, to make energy, need some sort of sugar, a glucose, need oxygen, which we breathe in. But then what's this? What are these products? CO2, carbon dioxide, is what we exhale, we breathe out. Water, we need that for our body, but sometimes we also sweat it out, cry it out, urinate it out. Interesting. Here we start with sugar and oxygen, but we end with carbon dioxide and water. Whereas here in photosynthesis, we start with water and carbon dioxide, and we end with sugar and oxygen. Coincidence? I think not. If you can solve that little riddle before next week's virtual learning. All right, back to cellular respiration. So, our mitochondria use glucose and oxygen, and later we get carbon dioxide and water and energy. Energy. Scientists call this adenosine triphosphate. Dumb. Why is biology so full of long words that nobody ever uses? Ugh. For now, we'll call adenosine triphosphate ATP. ATP is like our body's currency. It's cash, money, baby. It's like the most useful thing our body can make. Just like a battery stores energy so you can turn on the TV whenever you want, ATP is stored in the body for us to use whenever we need energy. Nice. So if you keep eating healthy, keep breathing in oxygen, your mitochondria will keep making ATP so you can do anything active. It's great, really. Everybody loves it. Oh, God. So that whole process of turning oxygen and glucose into energy is called cellular respiration, and everybody's doing it.
Hey everyone, so this is Mr. Greshik, and I've just learned you guys are learning about cellular respiration. So just want you to know everyone's doing it. So I am doing cellular respiration, Winston here is doing cellular respiration, and this plant is also doing cellular respiration, along with all living things, like whales, bugs, and other creatures. Good day to you.
So I wish you all good luck on week 6 virtual learning. If you need anything, please reach out, because I miss y'all, I love y'all, and stay safe out there.